Hi everyone! Today we are going to be talking about products that are good for a shrimp tank or a freshwater planted tank. Freshwater shrimp, there's many different kinds. We'll get into more specifics for that later, but they go really good in planted tanks because they like to eat the biofilm around the plants. So usually when people have a shrimp tank, they do freshwater plants with it. So some of the products that you can use for both kind of do the same thing. So the first product we're going to talk about today is called Equilibrium. It's by Chem. This product is really good because it remineralizes RO water. So when keeping freshwater shrimp, your water parameters are really important because they're really sensitive. So a lot of people like to use RO water and remineralize it to exactly how they want. This product's also really good if you have really, really soft tap water and you need to add just a little bit more to make it a little harder, because shrimp don't like water that's too soft because then they won't be able to molt correctly. So this product's really good. It restores and maintains all of your minerals. So also if you push your water changes back a lot, this will definitely be able to help to replenish some minerals. It also raises your GH, which is general hardness, which is good if you want to make sure that it's at the proper hardness for all of the different types of shrimp you have. Each species of freshwater shrimp like it just a little bit differently. So it's hard finding a product that does everything for all the different types of shrimp that there is. So if you have multiple different tanks, you can use multiple different quantities to mineralize it exactly for how each species of shrimp likes it. We'll get into each different species of shrimp in a later video. I'll do, different videos on each different type, because there are many different shrimp and they all like it just kind of a little differently. Another good product is Shrimp pH A and B. So this is actually a two-part system. The Shrimp pH A lowers pH and pH B raises pH. These are really good for planted tanks too because there's no sodium in there. So salt sometimes burns plants, burns their leaves and stems. So this is actually a really good product because it doesn't have any sodium in it, because some of the products kind of sometimes do. Another thing you do have to be mindful about with Shrimp pH A and B is it does soften your water. So if you already have really soft tap water and you want to keep shrimp, adding a little bit of this to kind of raise your hardness of your water with this is probably something that you're going to want to look into. All the directions for how much you need to dose are on the back. It's a two-part system, so you do have to get both bottles if you want to, be able to target exactly how you want it. But since it does soften your water because it contains no sodium, it is important that if you want to, get any other remineralizer to kind of raise the hardness a little bit, that's always important too. All right, everyone, that's it for today. These are just our 3 products that we have right now that we recommend for good use with freshwater shrimp and planted aquariums. Next week, I will do a video on diving into the different species of shrimp and what parameters each type of shrimp like. Thanks, have a nice day.